friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make restaurant style dal fry. It's so simple to make and you can serve it along with roti, chapathi and also it goes well with jeera rice. Let's get started. In a bowl, add half cup of Toor dal. Wash it couple of times and then I am going to add the washed dal to the pressure cooker. Add around 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to add half teaspoon of oil. Adding oil will help the dal to get cooked faster. Put on the lid and once the steam is out, put on the weight, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for 4 whistles. The dal has been cooked well. It has to be cooked to soft consistency. Mash it up well and have it ready. This is how it should look. In another pan, I've added 2 tablespoons of ghee. Instead of ghee, you can also add half oil and half of ghee. Once it is hot, I'm going to add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow it to splutter and then half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry them for a while and then 1 chopped green chilli, 1 chopped red chilli. Let it fry. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger and garlic. Instead of this, you can also add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute them for a while and then 1 chopped onion. You have to saute the onion till it turns into light golden brown color. Now I'm going to add little curry leaves and continue to fry the onion till it turns into light golden brown like this, and then add 1 chopped tomato. The tomato has to be cooked till it gets softer. It has to be cooked to this level and then I am going to add the dal. To the mashed dal, I have added half cup of water and I have mixed it. I am adding the dal mixture now. Give it a mix and add around half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix well and you have to add around half cup of water. This dal fry should not be too thick or too thin. It has to be like at the right consistency. So adjust the quantity of water accordingly. Let it continue to boil for at least 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kasthuri Methi. That's dried fenugreek leaves. Take it in your palm and crush it before adding it so that the flavor will be nice. And then finally 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Give it a mix and let it remain for just a minute. And garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves and then you can turn off the heat. After turning off the heat, I'm going to squeeze a half lemon. This is just optional. If you don't prefer to add lemon juice, you can just skip it. That's all. Give it a mix and such a flavorful and a very simple dal fry is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.